What is going on YouTube? Just helping you out here. And for today's video, I will be doing a third review on the Zagg InvisibleShield Glass Curve Screen Protector for the Samsung Galaxy S8. I encourage you to watch the last two videos in order to get an idea of how my thoughts on the protector progressed as I had it longer. In addition, I will only be discussing things that have been more prominent since the second video. What I mean by that is I most likely will not be discussing all the same things that I discussed in the previous two videos. Some things will be similar, but others will not be. I would like to start with durability. From the last video, you can see that I actually had a lot of cracks and chips on the protector already, but now I have quite a bit more. I also have these weird bubble looking things, most likely from the protector flexing where the cracks are. Here's an example of one of the bubbles. There are more on other cracks, but unfortunately they are hard to see on camera. All this really is there's just a little separation in one of the layers of the screen protector from being cracked and flexed. And as you can see, there are a lot of cracks on the entire screen protector, especially right here. And there's also a lot of chipping in different spots around the screen protector. Right there you can probably see the most cracks out of any angle. Most of the damage came from one incident, but once in a while a glass chip will come loose and come off the protector. So I was at college and I was walking up a cement staircase and I was putting my phone back into my pocket, but I missed my pocket and it fell and hit the floor. Kind of embarrassing, but the phone hit the staircase, bounced around a bit, and the protector got destroyed. And this leads me into my next point. The protector actually flew off my phone while the phone was bouncing around, and this was because the adhesive on the protector is not the greatest. Since then, it never really stayed on well. Every time it pops off, I try to stick it back on, but it ends up coming off again later in the day. I have also had the protector pop off while I was texting or playing a game, so it just slid off from me applying pressure to it. This also affects the touch sensitivity. As the protector comes off and is put back on, some spots require more pressure than others, and that changes depending on where the protector is placed. The adhesive is fine when you first put on the protector, but as dust and other things get into it, it becomes weaker and weaker, and the protector will start to slide and eventually pop off. As you can see now, it easily comes off. It shouldn't be that easy. And there are lots of dust, dog hair, and other particles all over the adhesive and on the inside face. The ones on the inside face are very visible when using the phone, but in both cases, you can't really get them out unless you take off the protector, and the ones that get stuck to the adhesive can't really be removed without taking the adhesive with it. As I said in previous videos, there is a limited lifetime warranty on this protector, so I can mail this to Zagg and they will send me a brand new one. The only catch, and I recently found this out, is you have to pay for shipping, which I have been told comes to around $8, but the protector was $50, so it is much cheaper to replace than buy new. Overall, the point of the protector is to ensure your actual phone screen doesn't get damaged, since it is more expensive to replace that than the protector. Thankfully, my protector did exactly that. As you can see, I don't have any scratches or cracks. I would say this protector is a gamble since it can come off when you drop your phone, and then your screen is fair game to be damaged. I happened to get lucky that mine wasn't damaged when the protector came off, and it was probably because my case took the hit. In the end, I wouldn't necessarily recommend this protector to others. It did its job, but there was just too many issues and risks for the cost. I personally just got a different protector from a different company in hopes that it will be better than this one. I'll be making an unboxing and review video on that one in the future. So that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please drop a like, leave a comment if you have a question or idea for a future video, and lastly, please don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends about my channel so I can grow and help more of you guys out. I'm just helping you out. See you in the next video.